I love selling homes that are beautiful, and there is nothing nicer than a relatively new single-level Barrington home, which is the perfect layout for the executive family living. The home is warm and inviting with sleek modern lines, wide timber spotted gum floors, an abundance of natural light and beautiful escarpment views overlooking the north-facing backyard and in-ground pool. You will find entertaining friends and family a delight due to the all-weather alfresco terrace, which is accessed from the living areas via wide glass doors. The 4 bedrooms are generous, and you will be impressed by the size of the main bathroom, where you can really relax in the luxurious bath. Located within a few minutes stroll to the local Balgownie Village shops, you can enjoy the pub, cafes, restaurants, newsagents, butchers, hairdressers and other specialty shops where all your needs will be catered for. This truly is a great residence to view, so come along to one of my opens here at 14 Hunter Street, Balgownie, so you too can appreciate all this home has to offer. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.